In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from one Coinbase account to another. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So let's begin. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is create your account here in Coinbase if you haven't done so. But if you have, please log in using your credentials. And once you are logged in, the next thing that we should do is simply transferring funds internally from between wallets on Coinbase Prime, right? Of course, you need to have a Coinbase Prime first. So from the portfolio tab, search for the asset. And all I'm going to do is click deposit. You can also click the asset to open the asset page. From the asset page, under trading balance, click deposit. And of course, you need to click transfer funds internally. Select the portfolio and wallet you'll be transferring from. And again, you need to select the destination portfolio and wallet. You need to enter the amount. And after doing so, you're going to click preview transfer. Review details, then click initiate transfer. And of course, verify your identity using a physical security key. And this action may require additional consensus approvals before it's processed. Alright, so transferring money from one Coinbase account to another can have so much advantage for you, right? Because for one, it's a straightforward process within the same platform. You don't need to go through external exchanges or third-party services. It's like simplifying the whole transaction, right? And it's really quick compared to some external transfer. I've done this so many times, all right? But I'll be mindful that you're confined to the services and cryptocurrencies offered by Coinbase, so there's like a limited options, all right? And again, before proceeding with any transfers, it's essential to consider the specific fees, all right, within the Coinbase platform. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.